The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge has been making waves lately, and with its expected launch on April 16, the leaks just keep on coming. Samsung even gave us a sneak peek at MWC this year, where multiple silver-colored units were suspended in the air like some kind of futuristic art installation. While we had already heard plenty of rumors about the device, this was the first time we got to see it in such a detailed manner. Now, thanks to the latest renders from WinFuture, we're getting an even better look at this sleek device. Previous leaks hinted at a titanium build, and it looks like Samsung is sticking with that theme, offering the S25 Edge in titanium jet black, titanium silver, and titanium icy blue, just like the S25 Ultra. Originally, there were whispers about a ceramic back panel with an armor aluminum frame, but these fresh renders suggest Samsung is opting for titanium instead, probably to avoid another bend gate fiasco. With a 5.84mm thin profile, durability is likely a big concern, and titanium could be the perfect solution to ensure longevity while maintaining a premium feel. When it comes to specs, the S25 Edge is shaping up to be a powerhouse. It's said to come with a 6.7-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED display, which is expected to deliver crisp colors, deep blacks, and a high refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the latest and greatest from Qualcomm, ensuring top-tier performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications. Battery life is still a bit of a mystery, as different sources are reporting conflicting numbers. Some leaks suggest a 3900 mAh battery, while others point to a 4000 mAh unit. While this isn't as large as the batteries in the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup, Samsung could be optimizing software and power efficiency to make up for the slightly smaller capacity. It's still unclear what kind of charging speeds we'll be getting, or if the device will support the latest Qi 2 wireless charging standard. If Samsung is aiming to keep up with the competition, we could see fast charging capabilities that could juice up the battery in minutes rather than hours. On the camera front, the S25 Edge is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor, which should allow for highly detailed shots, incredible zoom capabilities, and great low-light performance. The secondary camera is expected to be a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, perfect for capturing landscapes, group shots, and creative angles. Unfortunately, there's still no solid information about the selfie camera, but given Samsung's track record, we can expect something capable of delivering high-quality photos and videos. Storage options will include 256 and 512 gigs, both paired with 12 gigs of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. As with previous Samsung flagships, there's likely no microSD card slot, so choosing the right storage variant will be important for those who need extra space. When it comes to pricing, be prepared to shell out a good chunk of cash. The 256 gigs model is expected to cost between $1,300 to $1,400, while a 512 gigs version could go up to $1,400 to $1,520. Given the premium build materials and high-end specs, this pricing isn't too surprising, but it does place the S25 Edge firmly in flagship territory. Recently, popular YouTuber Alexis Garza got his hands on the device and ran it through the benchmarking tool, confirming many of these leaked specs. The benchmark results also revealed that the phone will support Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring better connectivity and power efficiency when paired with wireless accessories. However, as always, leaks should be taken with a grain of salt. While these details seem credible, Samsung could still make last-minute changes before the official release. With all these leaks coming in, excitement for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is reaching new heights. But what do you think? Are you excited about this new titanium build, or are you waiting to see what Samsung officially unveils? Let's chat in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.